Good morning. Hello, myself Professor Smith Tucker welcomes you all on my YouTube channel Smith Tucker. So our today's topic is in the continuous lecture. In last lecture we have gained some knowledge regarding overfit stokers, how it works, what is its mechanism that we have already studied. Now today we are going to study a types of overfit stokers. There are two types basically, traveling grade stoker and spreader stoker. So we will see some introduction and working of these grade stokers. So first is the traveling grade stoker. So basically in this type of stokers you can see that here it is the coal hooper where is coal is stored. This is adjustable gauge, कितना coal हमको आगे भेजना है वो adjustable gauge के हिसाब से हम adjust कर पा रहेंगे. Then there is this is the chain grade, okay, these are the sprocket and this is chain grade, it is continuously moving. तो इसके ऊपर से coal आगे जाएगा. Then from here these are three ports, उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, we are supplying high velocity air from downward to upward direction. तो वहाँ से coal फिर जाएगा it is in the boiler में से अपना काम करके then flue gases will be from exhaust to chimney. तो इसमें से जो छोटे छोटे एसिड्स वो सब फ्लाइज रह जाएंगे, it will be stored here in the downward direction. So this is the simple working of these traveling grade stokers. Moving to next figure, this is the zoom figure of this grade chain grade system mechanism. आप देख सकते हो इधर फर्नेस होगी, फर्नेस में यहाँ पे गर्म होगा, ओके. सो फ्लू गैसेस टू दी बॉयलर, यहाँ से गैसेस बॉयलर में जाएंगे, फिर चिमनी से बाहर आ जाएंगे. दिस इज द सिंपल वर्किंग. और एस जो होगी वो ऊपर नहीं जाएगी, वो ग्रेट में आगे जाएगी, वो आएगा नीचे की तरफ. सो दिस इज द बेसिक वर्किंग ऑफ दिस ट्रैवलिंग ग्रेट स्टोकर्स. दिस is a furnace stoker where coal feeds into the hooper located at one end of the traveling grate and is fed into the grate as it passes under the hooper. This type stoker enables fuel to be uniformly spread on the surface of using spreaders. Uniformly spread नहीं होगा क्योंकि वो continuously flow हो रहा है. This type of grate is generally used in the boilers where coal is to be burnt along with the biofuels. Okay, what are these advantages of the traveling grate stoker? Simple in construction, you can see that maintenance cost is very low, initial cost is low. Self-skinning stoker, heat release rate can be controlled just by controlling the speed of the chain. Air crushers are not required here. Always some loss of coal in form of fine particle carried with the acids. वो हमने देखा कुछ छोटे फाइन पार्टिकल्स कोल्स के होंगे तो वो एसिड्स के साथ ही बाहर चले जाएंगे. देयर विल बी अ लॉसेस देयर. टेम्परेचर ऑफ प्रीटर इज लिमिटेड टू 180 डिग्री सेल्सियस. नॉट सुटेबल फॉर हाई कैपेसिटी बॉयलर्स. क्लिंकर्स ट्रबल आर वेरी कॉमन. सो दिस आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग ग्रेट स्टोकर्स. ओके, सो मूविंग फर्दर, नाउ दिस इज द spreader stoker. The little bit the mechanism is different here. It is the fuel bed here, you can see that there is the dumping grate, wind box and air split. एस यहाँ पे स्टोर हो जाएगी सीधी. Then there is a air flowing from here, okay, also air is flowing and there will be a coal coming from here too. It is distributed here, all over the bed it is distributed. This is the spreader. Spreader will spread the coal from the hooper. ऊपर से हम फीड करेंगे, स्प्रेडर घूम रहा होगा तो पूरी तरह से इधर सभी पूरे बेड में वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगा. ओके, दिस इज द एयर कंट्रोलिंग लेवल. इधर से एयर कितना हमको कितने वेलोसिटी से कितना करना है, कितना गेट ओपन करना है, वो सब कुछ इट इज़ यूज्ड बाय दिस एप्लीकेशन इज ऑफ एयर कंट्रोलिंग लीवर हियर. Okay, so this way this spreader stoker works. Spreader stoker utilizes a combination of suspension burning and grate burning. The coal is continuously fed into the furnace above a burning bed of a coal. The coal fines are burned in suspension. The large particles falls to the grate where they are burned in a thin, fast burning coal bed. The method of frying provides good flexibility to meet load fluctuations since ignition is almost instantaneous when firing rate is increased. यहाँ पे firing rate increase होगा, hence the spreader stoker is favored over the other type of stokers in many industrial applications. तो जहाँ जहाँ पे industrial applications है, a spreader stoker has more advantage compared to that other type of stokers. So advantage, wide variety of coal can be burnt. It can easily respond quickly with load changes. Operating cost is low. Use high temperature treated air possible. Clinkerness difficulties are reduced compared to others. Work satisfactory with 40 or small size of coal. Fly ash is more, dust collector is needed here. Clinker problem cannot be avoided. 100% it is not avoided. So these are the two type of stokers that we have studied today. In next lecture we are going to underfeed stoker and its types. So if you have any types, it is very simple working of this both type of stoker, traveling stoker and spreader stoker. Traveling stoker में chain grade mechanism होता है, while in spreader stoker there is a spreader which spreads the coal all over the bed. And okay, so these are the two simple methods that we have studied. If you have any doubts from today's lecture, please write in the comment section. Without fail, feel free for contact. Okay, so thank you so much for today's lecture. Please stay home, stay safe, have a good day.